Hi everyone, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Thursday, May 30th. We've got warm, dry, and breezy weather for us as we go through today and tomorrow, and then kind of gradual warming at least over the next several days, and some potentially hot weather as we get into next week, but that is a ways out for us. So here are key points. We are, like I said, going to stay warm, dry, and breezy for today and tomorrow. Gradual warming as we get into the weekend with a small rain or isolated thunderstorm chance as we get into Saturday and Sunday, but a lot of us will stay dry. A little bit better chance as we get into Monday. So here's a look at satellite early this morning. Here you can see much quieter compared to yesterday when we had some of those showers and a few thunderstorms going around through the morning and afternoon. But again, pretty quiet. We've got a few clouds here and there, but even that is mostly clear for us as we're getting ready this morning. Here's our weather risk outlook grid for the next few days. You can see overall things looking pretty green. Nothing of really concern over the next couple days here, especially for today and tomorrow. We get into Saturday, the wind does start to pick up a little bit more, and that continues Sunday into Monday. And then we'll start to introduce a slight chance to some chances for some showers and thunderstorms again as we get into the weekend, and a little bit better chance for that on Monday. Coverage will be pretty limited for anything that does manage to get going over the weekend. A little bit more organized system heads our way as we get into Monday. High temperatures today are going to be pretty comparable to yesterday. A lot of us still in the 60s, even maybe a degree or two cooler than yesterday for some of us. As we get into this afternoon, though, winds will be gusting up to around 25-30 miles per hour or so. And then as we head into Friday, most of us will start the day in the 30s to low 40s before warming up a little bit more into the upper 60s and low to mid 70s for most of us. The wind will be a little bit lighter tomorrow too, with gusts only around 20-25 miles per hour for a few. And then as we get into the weekend, again, start off the morning in the upper 30s to 40s. And then by the afternoon, we will be warmer in general, by probably about 5, almost 10 degrees in a few spots, with more of us, at least in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley here, getting back into the upper 70s to low and almost mid 80s. Again, with kind of that warm-up headed our way into the weekend. Sunday will be a couple degrees cooler, but don't worry, we pop right back up on Monday. And it's the second half of next week that is going to be a little bit hotter, but again, that's a little ways out. You'll have to keep checking back for some more updates and specifics on that, but it certainly does look like it's going to get hot there. As far as winds on Saturday, again, not too much of an issue for us, but starting to get a little bit breezier for some, with gusts around 25, almost 30 miles per hour. Looking out, our 8 to 14 day outlooks show, yes, the potential, fairly good potential for the above average temperatures for a good portion of the west coast and the west in general. As for precip during that time frame, well, the northwest here looks to stay a little bit on the drier side. So that's kind of what's in store for us as we head soon into the month of June. In summary, though, warm, dry, and breezy today and tomorrow. Gradual warming as we get into Friday and Saturday. Just a couple degrees cooler on Sunday, but overall still a warm weekend. A small rain or thunderstorm chance here or there, but most of us stay dry on Saturday and Sunday. A little bit more organized system headed our way on Monday, but it'll kind of skirt just to our north. So even that not looking at this point to be too impactful, but that'll be kind of the next main thing that we're going to be keeping an eye on before some of that heat returns next week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always find us on social media. That's a great way to connect. You can find the latest weather forecast, of course, online on our website, or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, give us a phone call or send us an email. Have a great day.